Okay, Miss, today we are going to do the evaluation for next week topic. We just start from the science question now. Yeah, here we have.
Which of these appliances contribute to produce hair? That is,
Wait first. This is why you write here review chapter. Is it a review chapter?
mentioned. This is for this presence and
Sorry?
understand the science.
Okay, but actually this is not review, right?
Yeah, that's wrong.
This is the first
Yeah.
first chapter. Okay,
First,
yeah. Just answer it.
which of the appliances contribute to produce hair? That is, produce iron.
Okay, next.
Why do we use items in our homes to help us to work? Which are these things that can move using electricity? That is live.
Okay,
And architects from
yeah.
which of the following is a substitute for using electricity? C. Only using electrical appliances in good condition. What is the main source of the recipe for the refrigerator shown in the image? The main source here means electricity.
Sorry,
Yes, yes.
but there is no image. There should be image there, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, and this is one of the image. So the answer is the main electricity.
Okay.
6. What happens if you remove the battery from the alarm clock? The alarm clock will not work at all. C. The second one, what is the main component required to complete a simple circuit? It is the main component here is a battery.
What is the main component required to complete a simple
Sorry,
circuit? I need to check the answer carefully. Okay, there are one question wrong here actually.
one person.
Wrong.
Which one?
Number five and wait first, please. Okay, next number eight.
What happens when the lamp is not part of the circuit? The answer is B. The lamp will not light up.
Okay, what happens when alarm the lamp is not? Okay, next.
Which of the pictures below depict electricity? This sheet.
Okay,
Which of the following can supply energy in an electric circuit? Can supply energy in an electric circuit is C. A battery.
okay, next.
What are they to be connected properly to the simple circuit? That is to make a circuit that should be connected with this lamp wire that is also battery that is need to be connected properly so it can work.
Okay, next.
What are the uses of electricity in everyday life? Electricity in our daily life this is to make the simple life, to make easy at work. When electricity shock happens, electricity shock happens when the electricity flows in our body. It flows in our bodies.
Actually, I need to check all the answer here because. Okay, next question.
What was what while scary? While scary, what there is a metal thing which is very electricity
Okay,
to every
Next.
What is a circuit? Uh, circuit is circuit is a process of transferring energy from three things, that is a lamp, battery, and a wire.
It's not easy. The answer is not easy actually.
Circuit is electrical connection with three things.
Okay. Let me. Circuit is a path, the way, a path or the way to connect the battery and transfer energy from the lamp, from the battery to the lamp. Okay, please answer your question based on the answer keys. Okay. Next, we move to the math. Go to question number one.
Rob wanted to know the performance method of his friend he carried out an investigation. In this case, Rob plans some question to find out the answer.
Yeah. Next.
Please Rob.
Oh yeah. Sorry.
What is this statistical question?
I didn't see
Statistical
it.
question is it has more than one answer. B.
Okay. This I want to ask first. This homework that you just sent to me is already approved by Miss Mary, by Miss Effie.
Yes, I understand.
Because there is an answer key here.
Yeah, it just answered by this if you just to answer the answer key.
No, I mean this one. Okay. Next, we just go to the question number 5.
Number five, the student got the trace of the battery data using is using a pictogram.
Pictograms. Okay. Next.
Run,
This one.
run makes a pictogram to show the lens displacement ground, which plan will discuss with Romos. Romos that is tomato.
This one as well. There's an answer here. Okay. Next.
This pictogram shows the path some children have. How many children?
Wait first. Why there are so many answers here? This is answer key.
It's the areas by but it's the answer visible. You forgot to delete some.
We go to part B then. There's a number here actually. Okay. Yeah. Go to the question part B.
Then like a bit of branches for from how you hold the different chapters in the letter below in Felix this spring, namaste like this. If summer can feel like this. Falls.
Okay.
How can we inform a data about our favorite sport? We inform a data about our favorite sport is by collecting and organizing the data and asking about make the question, what is your favorite sport? That is a question that given to students.
Okay. Next.
What question should
Wait first. Oh.
question should you ask to collect information of your classmate favorite sport? The question that you should make here that what is what is your favorite sport? That's a question that for student that you want to observe.
Okay.
What is the statistical question? A statistical question is a question it's made to it's made to find the data by to find the data by organizing the data and collect the data.
Okay, Miss. This is the things that I need you to improve actually. This is not your first time to do the evaluation with me, and all the answer is not the same with the answer key here. So, what for? We have to make the answer key if you explain something different.
Statistical question is this question made to this question made by organizing and finding the data to statistical. Sorry for number four.
Okay, we just go to number 5.
What is investigation? Investigation is careful search. Careful search about something. This is
Okay,
yeah, careful search of something.
move to mathematical now. Go to question number 1, Miss.
Berikut merupakan pengotoran yang menghasilkan seperempat. Seperempat A. Berapa seperempat dari kumpulan kulit tersebut? Seperempat dari kulit tersebut adalah 4. Jadi 4.
Ini bagaimana cara menjawabnya, Miss? Kenapa bisa dapat 4?
Seperempat dari dihitung dahulu total kulitnya. Total kulit adalah 16. Seperempat dari 16 adalah 4.
Iya, maksud dari seperempat dari 16 itu dalam bentuk perhitungan itu bagaimana cara menjelaskan ke siswa? Seperempat dari 16, tentu kita harus ada perhitungan tertentu untuk mendapatkan nilai 4 tersebut. Siswa tidak mungkin bisa
Siswa sudah belajar tentang pembagian.
Oke.
Jadi di sini siswa harus mengetahui bahwa pembagian selalu ada hubungannya dengan perkalian. Jadi 16 dibagi 4 berapa?
Oke. 16 dibagi 4 adalah 4. Oke, next. Pertanyaan nomor 3.
Berapakah nilai dari bagian warna? Ini adalah seperempat.
Oke.
Rio mempunyai 4 bola, kemudian bagian bola kepada temannya, satu bagian buat Rio, satu bagian buat Aji, satu bagian buat Bella, satu bagian buat Kiki. Berapa bagian bola yang dapat masing-masing? Masing-masing anak dapat bagian A seperempat.
Rio mempunyai 4 bola. 1 Rio, Aji, Bella, dan Kiki. Oke.
Berapa seperempat dari kumpulan benda tersebut? Pertama adalah menghitung total benda. Total bendanya adalah 16, maka 16 dibagi 4. Jadi itu yang lebih, jawabannya lebih.
Oke, next.
Manakah situasi yang menentukan pecahan seperempat? 1 dari 4 yang dimakan. B. 1 semangka dibagi 4 bagian, 1 bagian dimakan, berapa bagian yang tersisa? Satu bagian dimakan, berapa bagian yang tersisa? Dan tersisa adalah berapa seharusnya 3/4 yang tersisa.
Oke, seharusnya 3/4.
Iya, tapi sebenarnya jawaban
yang buat soalnya kan, Mas?
mestinya.
Oke. 1 bagian dimakan. Oke, ini satu soal ya. Next.
Kita membeli satu toples sama lainnya. Masing-masing dapat kritik, masing-masing dapat seperempat.
Okay.
Bagian tidak boleh pada seperempat. Jawabannya lagi seperempat, 9, 10. Nah ini lebih kesempatan coklat, kemudian kemudian coklat tersebut menjadi bagiannya sama besar. Lalu sebagian dilanjutkan kepada adiknya. Adiknya ini mendapat bagian berapa? 1/4.
Okay.
Semua menjadi bagian bagian sama besar. Biolo waktu potong. Berapa bagian yang sudah dimakan? Biolo memakan 1/4.
Okay.
Ibu potong sebuah kue menjadi bagian sama besar. Pakai makan 1 bagian. Gue semakin 2 bagian. Siapa yang makan lebih sedikit? Fanta. Lebih sedikit ada Fanta. Oke. Rika membagikan menjadi bagian. 3 bagian itu diberikan kepada Vina. Vina, berapa nilai pecahan kue yang tidak diberikan kepada Vina? Yang tidak diberikan kepada Vina adalah 1/4.
Okay.
Kak Bira melihat 40 kelinci. Seberapa ada kelinci Kak Bira adalah jantan. Berapa ekor kacung kelinci jantan adalah 20.
Next.
Apa yang dimaksudkan seperempat? Seperempat adalah satu bagian dari satu yang diambil dari 4 bagian.
Satu bagian dari 4 bagian yang ada. Okay. Next, we move to book. I will open the math book here. So for the math, we will taken from this one 157 until 166. 157. Oh, this one, investigation. Plan and investigation until 166. Okay, this chapter is about investigation and consists 3 steps actually. The first step is make a plan and investigation. The second step is record and show the data, and the third step will be the describe data and answer the question based on the investigation. So the question here that I want to ask is, how do you explain these three steps to the students? From plan A and investigation, what is the students should do in this part? And next, when they record and show the data, what should they do? And describe data and answer the question, what should they do in this part? Because these 3 parts is used during the investigation based on the chapter 12 investigation here. In this chapter, there is a clue that you can see from here. Plan an investigation to answer the question, record and show the data, choose and suitable data, and describe the data. How do you explain this one to the students actually?
Firstly, the investigation is pendidikan. How you make a prepared question to find the data. For example, that students want to find the favorite fruits among all of the students. Firstly, they should prepare the question first. It can be cannot be only one question. To find the data, it can be find 2 or 3 questions to find the data. So, for example, what is the favorite fruit of students in class 2A? And then, by finding the data, they can record the data and short data, it means that grouping the size. Short data means they group, make group of the object by
Can you
size.
okay? Can you mention the difference between these three? Record, sort, and show the data. How do you know? How do you explain the difference of these things to the students?
For example, that you find that fruits, and then you make the data fruit, which is you group the fruit by the color. Yeah, you group the color by color. For example, the color of red, fruit red, fruit which is red. For example, rambutan. You make it. How many students like rambutan? How many students like put the size by the color first, red, and then for example, then green. Green, that is kiwi. Oh, for example, that yellow, for example, that is blue, and then the color which is, let's say that the color, and then how many students like for example, that's Sudan, and how many students like blue, that is, let's say that's 12 students, and then they can, she can prepare that by using this the diagram.
So no, I mean here the question is which one the record, which one the sort, and which one the show of data.
Uh, the short here that it's
We start from the record first. What is the difference between, because they make it three here, record, short, and show data. So what is the difference between record, record data, short data, and show data? When will the students do the recording data? When will the students do the sorting data and show the data?
uh, record data, which means that student firstly record how many all of them totally they want to investigate, how many the total student they record first, and then let's short, make short here means that they group what is object that they want to find. For example, that is they group the favorite fruit here into red fruit and yellow fruit, something like that. And then this is the how show the data like this, and then they can make it in a diagram. In the diagram, for example, total student and how many then students, total students here, how many here, how many like rambutan, how many like buku, maybe data here, like this, for example, like this. Let's say they make it percent to percent until total, let's say 10 until 15. Until 15 students here, for example, Arman, he likes that. And then Lionel, this is how they make it in like one time. This is the data can be shown to to make it data about the student performance.
Okay. Okay, miss. Now we just go to the vocabulary list then. So now we move to the vocabulary list. I will ask you from the Mathematica first. Seperempat.
Seperempat adalah satu bagian dari empat bagian. Artinya bahwa satu bagian dari total keseluruhan empat bagian.
Okay. Next we have math. Investigation.
Investigation adalah investigation is careful search, that is by questioning something to find the truth information.
Pattern? Pattern. Oh, oh yeah, this is 24. Okay, sorry. Short.
So it is a group of object. That is how we find a group of object by size, color, and shapes.
Next, move to science, electric shocks.
And the source is electricity. Electricity flows in our body. Sometimes when electricity shock happen, it will feel like a jolt and tingle. Then it is also very dangerous.
Electricity.
Electricity is an energy that's an energy that is used in our daily life, and you can also you must look in first to the power supply, so that the electricity things will be on.
Okay, and basically that's all for our information today. Thank you, miss.